Okay, back here with the Yamaha Wolverine, the 03. Ended last time with dropping a screwdriver and the cam chain down in the hole. So I'm taking the head back off. I'm gonna grab that, get all that situated, and then we'll get back to getting the carb and everything on, and hopefully getting this thing running today, because I would like to see it running and I need space. So guess I'm gonna start with taking this off, and then we'll go from there. So I'll get back to you when I have that how it's supposed to be with the chain up and everything. Okay, finally got it. Had to pull the cylinder up as well, and I threw it, but got that stupid screwdriver out. It was wedged down in there, so I'm retorquing the head right now, or I'm tightening down, then I'm going to torque them, and then I'll put it in time again, and then hopefully get it running. So time it, chain tensioner, carb, well, oil probably. I gotta check if there's oil. I also have to figure out, because there's supposed to be an oil cooler on this, and it's currently not hooked up because it was broken. So I'll have to figure that out. But it should be good. Let's keep going, I guess. I'll just start torquing them down, and that is supposed to be inside of there. So great. Let's try this again. Okay, got it back together finally. They're all torqued down. Torquing this down, got it in time. So when you get in time, you look through this little hole, there's a T mark. You line it up with that notch, and then notch on here lines up with that notch, and then there's a little dowel pin behind this that all lines up together. So it all goes straight. And then this nut right here goes to 43 foot-pounds. So gonna torque that down, get the tensioner in, and then carb on, and we should be good to keep going. Okay, got all in time, pull covers on, exhaust is back on fully. I'm gonna get the carb on. Actually, I'm gonna crack the bowl real quick, make sure it's good, not all blocked up or anything. If it's good, or if it's not good, I'll clean it. If it's good, I'll put it on, and then we should be good to at least try to start. I'm gonna pour some oil up here, because who knows how long it's gonna take for the oil to get there. And then I'm gonna leave this open for right now just to watch everything. Actually, no, I'll cover this one, but these two up here, I'm gonna leave open, make sure it's getting oil, and then we'll keep going from there. So I'm gonna check the bowl, make sure it's good, and then put the carb on. Well, am I glad I took that off? This thing's disgusting. I don't even know what this is. It doesn't even look like bad gas. So, I mean, kind of. I guess back there does, but yeah, I'll clean it out. It looks pretty new, so it looks like someone's been in here or just hasn't had many hours. One of the screws was not very happy, but everything should be good. I'll clean it out real quick, and then we'll get going. Okay, so got the carb back on. I poured some oil on this valve. I did adjust them, by the way. I got them to the spec in the manual. I had to put this cover on back here because oil just drips out if I don't. I'm gonna not check for spark and just hope. I'm gonna hook up a fuel line back here, and then hopefully here it runs. So I'm gonna see if the cables for the battery are still here. I think they are under here. So if I can electric start, check all that as well. So hopefully we'll see. Let's get to it. Okay, so got everything hooked up. I got battery. I'm gonna try this little DeWalt hookup thing. It's okay, it's not bad, but it always stays on, so you have to watch it. You can't leave it plugged in for a while, or it does get very hot. So we're gonna see if we have power, and then I'm gonna try filling that funnel up with gas and see if it'll at least fire off. It's got oil, so might as well try. It is hot today. It's about 92 out, I think. Woo. Don't go down there. Here, go up here. Do we have power? We do not. Okay, so that is not the nicest. This battery is good, I believe. Yeah, battery's good. We do not have power right now. So somewhere in here, we're losing power. I wonder, let me try jumping it with a screwdriver. See if it does anything. So it turns over, so the electric start works. I've got no power to the key right now, so I'm gonna look into that, see what could be wrong. Great. Okay, I got controls up here. I did check for spark. I've got spark. So the kill switch is on, of course. Stupid me. But I'm gonna try filling that up. Filling the funnel I have down there up, and then hopefully get to run. So, okay, so it's kind of leaking, but we'll see what it does. Let's get the choke. Ooh, that just dripped right in there. We don't talk about it. Oop, I heard something. Choke is all the way on. I'm gonna have to figure something out here. It's wanting to run. Take off choke. Doesn't like that. Let me see if I can rest this somewhere. Okay, we've got oil coming up. Holy crap. And that is dirty oil, so it's going to get changed pretty quick. So, I'm going to put that valve cover on, and then let's hear this thing run even better. Okay, so I got valves adjusted, set them to factory clearance, which is 6,000 for the intake, and 10 thou for the exhaust. So let's see if that sounds a little better, I guess. Still not going to sound perfect because of the oil. It definitely needs change, so. I need to put that cover on. It's still loud though. I believe is just oil that fell onto the pipe earlier. Woo. Might have to get a fan out. I'm gonna put the airbox lid on, see if that helps the bug. Woo! See that? Check timing again because it's running like shit, so I'm gonna try that again, make sure it's in time and everything, and we'll go from there. Okay, got it all hooked up. I checked timing. I think it was off, maybe not by a tooth, but I don't know. runs, so I'm going to start getting stuff somewhat back together, because it's easy. I can just turn the carb. But, I mean, it moves around. We'll see. I'm going to put the gas tank on, check all that, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I think I might have found our problem. So, there's nothing really I can find in here, but looking at this, I don't think this is the original carb. And then going and look through the boxes, I found this guy. Now it's missing a slide, and I'm going to have to go through it to check everything, but I think it's running like crap because it's not the original carb. It's a Chinese knockoff, so I'm going to look through this, see if I can get everything working here. I'm going to try this one because I like it better. Okay, so got everything in here, checked the jets and everything. I had to switch the floats over. This one had the original float in it, and that one's the new one. So someone was switching these around. Yeah, new needle and everything in here. So hopefully this works, because I'm getting tired, and it's toward the end of the day. So if this doesn't, we'll have to pick it up again next week. So, but I think it should work. So I'm going to throw it back on and see how it goes. Okay, so carb's back on. This is the original carb now. If this doesn't work, I got to wrap it up. If not, gas tank and everything will get thrown back on, and then we'll see if it rides real quick. So. Okay, so idle's too high. Holy crap, that was high. Let's bring that down a lot. Oh, that's not good. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, the throttle was way high, so hopefully that does it. Here we go. And I can actually rev it now, so. Sounds like a warrior. I mean, they're not quiet, so. I think we are good. I wonder, this is a vlog. Okay, sweet. I'm gonna get cleaned up, throw the plastics and stuff on, and maybe see if it moves real quick. Well, just my luck. Petcock is leaking. I'm still gonna try to go for it. Fire extinguisher will be on hand. So. Okay, so I'm just gonna see if it runs real quick. Ride around. Try the bottle feed again instead of the casting, because this isn't working.